Hello everyone. Today we are going to prepare this kind of slide. So take a blank slide, right click, go to format background, select gradient fill, choose 3 shades of off-white color for the 3 gradient stops. Now go to shapes tab and select a rounded rectangle, insert on the blank slide. Adjust the height and width to 2.4. Now remove the outline, decrease the round shape by holding on the orange button. Select a right triangle from the Shapes tab and insert below the rounded rectangle. Go to Rotate and choose Rotate Right 90 degree. Remove the outline. Now right click and send it to back. Select all together. Press Ctrl G to group it. Now go to Gradient Fill and choose 3 shades of red color for the 3 gradient stops. Duplicate the shape using Ctrl D. Go to Gradient Fill and choose white color. Go to Rotate and select Flip Horizontal. Place it like this. Now select the red shape. Go to Effects tab. Click on the drop down menu of Shadow and choose Outer Offset Bottom. Blur to 6 points and set the distance to 5 points. Next, select the white shape. Click on drop down Shadow preset and choose Outer Offset Top. Blur to 6 points and distance 5 points. Now insert an oval shape. Adjust the height and width to 0.9. Remove the outline. Go to Shape Fill and choose the color to dark red. Duplicate the shape and change its color to white. Adjust its height and width to 0.7. Now place it inside the red round shape. Click on the outer circle. Go to Shadow and choose Outer Offset Center. Select the inner circle, go to Shadow preset and choose Inner Offset Center. Alright, now next go to Insert tab, click on the icon and choose any one icon from the list. Adjust the size to 0.5 and place it inside the circle. Draw a text box inside the white rectangle. Write the subtitle, give font agency FB, font size 18 and choose the color to red. Insert another text box and type the description. Give font agency FB. Okay, now draw a text box at the bottom of the red rounded rectangle. Type number 01. Change the font color to white. Font agency FB and font size 36. Make it bold. Draw another text box and write the title. Select all the shapes together and press Ctrl G to group it. Duplicate the shape 3 more times and arrange one after the other. Change the number to 2, 3 and 4. Now double click on the icon. Right click, go to change graphic from icon and select any one from the list. Repeat the process for the other 2 shapes. Now select the red rectangle and the right triangle by holding the Ctrl key. Go to gradient fill and choose 3 different shades of blue color. Change the color of the outer circle and the subtitle to blue. Repeat the process for the other 2 shapes. Now draw a text box at the top of the slide. Write 4-step infographics. Give font Lucida calligraphy, font size 40. Go to text option. Click on gradient fill. Make it 2 gradient stops and choose any 2 corresponding colors. Go to effects tab. Click on shadow and choose offset bottom right. Blur to 6 points and distance 5 points. Make it bold. Next, go to animation, add animation, click on more entrance effects and choose basic zoom. Change the duration to 2 seconds. Now select the first shape, choose wipe animation, change the duration to 1.75 seconds, start after previous. Repeat the animation for the other 3. Just select the first shape, go to animation painter, double click on it and keep the painter on the second, third and fourth shapes simultaneously. Here I am going to change the flow of direction of the shapes. So click on the first shape, go to effect option, choose from left, click on the fourth shape, choose from right. Okay, now click on the second shape, choose bottom and for the third shape, choose from top. Now everything is done. Click on the slideshow to see the results. Hope you have learned how to prepare 4-step infographics. Try once by doing it yourself. Do share the content ahead and please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching. and see you in the next video.